My dear students, Vetri welcomes you all. I am Dr. Gunasekaran, going to discuss the previous year NEET questions asked between 22 to 25 under the unit 16, that is, organic compound containing halogen. So, if you want to answer in this topic, what are the topics, subtopics you have to study? Number one, test for functional group. That means chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine. You must know. Classification. So, monosubstituted, disubstituted, trisubstituted, like that, primary, secondary, tertiary, like that we can classify. Naming IUPAC as well as common name. Isomerism exhibited by the organic compound containing the functional group halogen. Then important methods of preparations, properties and uses we must study. Now, the first question that is asked in 2023 under the unit 16, organic compound containing halogen, the question is, the given compound structure is given below, is an example of dash. What type of compound it is? Options are given, that is, kindly follow. A. Benzylic halide, aryl halide, allylic halide and vinylic halide. What type of compound this is? So I will explain to have a very clear idea. Now just see here, this is called vinyl. If you add chlorine, vinyl chlorine. If you add OH, vinyl alcohol, like that. The same way, the second one, most important, this is called allyl. Group is allyl. So allylic chloride, allyl chloride, allyl alcohol, etc. we can. Now, just see the structure given below to assess. Now, just see here this part. So, you have a clear idea, this is nothing but allylic halide type, because CH2 it is there, instead of hydrogen atom, a benzene ring is there, double bond CH, CH2 dash X is there, so instead of H there is an ethyl group. So, this is coming under allylic halide. Just see. So, correct answer is 3. It is this compound is an example of allylic halide. Number 2. Question number, this is asked again NEET 23 under the unit 14, basic principle of organic chemistry containing the halide. Now, kindly follow. The compound that will undergo SN1 reaction with the fastest rate is, A. Bromobenzene, B. Methyl benzene bromide. This is actually, it is cyclosubstituted, it is a primary bromide, that means cyclohexyl methyl bromide. This is bromocyclohexane. The question is, the compound will undergo SN1 reaction with the fastest rate. For this, you must know the reaction mechanism. In chemistry, in +1 and +2 level, there are 6 types of reaction mechanism are important. 1. SN1, SN2 mechanism. SE, SE1, SE1, SE2 mechanism. E1, E2 mechanism. So this is asked under the SN1. For that, first let me explain what are the characteristics of SN1. Generally, this is suitable for tertiary halide. Here example, tertiary butyl bromide, it is taken. These undergo carbon bromine elimination, that means that is getting cleaved, producing a carbocation. First step, which is a slow step, Br minus is forming. That's why it is SN1, because slow step is the rate determining step. The second case, the fast OH minus, potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide, that OH minus will attack the carbocation. There are two possibilities, either from right side or from the left side. So you will get always a racemic mixture, optically inactive racemic mixture is forming. So from this explanation, let me give the characteristic. SN1 stands for unimolecular nucleophilic substitution. It consists of 2 steps. In the first step, slow step, a carbocation is formed. In the second step, fast, the attacking nucleophile attack the carbocation to give the product. Third, always an intermediate is formed in SN1. Coming for kinetic evidence, the reaction is kinetically first order because it is the first step, only one substrate molecule is involved, it is first order, since the rate of substitution reaction depends on concentration of the substrate molecule, but not on the nucleophile. Please follow. That's why it is kinetically first order. The most important is the reactivity. Now 5, stereochemical evidence. I already told you, in the case of optically active substrate, racemization generally takes place. That means equal mixture of plus and minus will form. Optically inactive compound will form. Whereas SN2 will give inversion. Plus means minus, minus means plus. So only this interested for this question. The reactivity. The order of reactivity of substrate towards SN1 reactions are as follows. Tertiary is more electron releasing than secondary, is more electron releasing than primary, because then only it will form a carbocation. Understand now? So automatically among these 4, so this is the correct answer. That is number 2 is the correct answer. Secondary, CH3 phenyl group. So there is hydrogen. So this Br will form a carbocation. So which is more stable. So it is, that's why it comes under the SN1 reaction. Even though it is secondary, it is under the SN1 conditions, it will favor. So the correct answer is 2. So let us see. The correct answer is 2 is the correct answer. The next question, 3. This is the very interesting questions. The products A and B obtained in the following reaction respectively. 3 ROH plus PCl3, 3 RClA, ROH plus PCl5 arrow RCl HClB. So my dear students, the first case PCl3, 3 alcohol is used. maybe methyl alcohol or ethyl alcohol you can use. Second case, only one alcohol used. So let me explain, kindly follow me. Let me take PCl3. 3, 3, and 3. So what will happen now? Now when we are treating with the 3 OH group, so HO, that is R, same way here, kindly follow, R, OH, here R, OH. So now if you write that product, what will happen now? 3RCl plus the product is P, that is P, then Cl, that is the 3RCl. Now center is P, 3 OH, so OH, OH, and OH. So I can simply say it is nothing but H3PO3. So this is the product form. Just see here, among these, this is the first one. So where just see where they are, H3PO3, here it is H3PO3, here there is H3PO3. So probability either 2 or 3. Now, then we have to go for the second one. Kindly follow, the structure is H3PO3. That is the product form along with 3 molecules of alkyl halide. Please keep in your mind. So now, let me take now the second case, PCl5, P, Cl, 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 Cl. Because phosphorus, it is in the third period, S2P3, 5 electron involved, so 5 bonds are formed. As usual, now here only one alcohol is involved. That means ROH. So product is RCl. Now kindly follow. We have already discussed this is possibility. This is possibility. Then RCl. Then remaining P, what will happen now? It will have Cl, 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 and OH. So, OH attached to P and 4 halogen atoms are attached. So, it will eliminate HCl. It will eliminate HCl. When eliminating HCl, kindly follow, please follow, HCl is getting eliminated, RCl is getting eliminated. So what is B now? B should be, I can now write POCl3. Now we have to find out. The first one, where is POCl3 and H3P3? POCl3 and H3PO3. Now answer we can say here it is H3PO3 and the first case H3PO3 and second case POCl3. So answer is second is the correct answer. So here it is shown in the terms of the equations, it is indicated. kindly follow. So the correct answer is, it is 2. 2 is the correct answer. I hope you have enjoyed. So we can discuss the next unit in next class. See you. Bye bye. Dr. R.